Welcome back to episode 9 of Risk of Rain. My bandit is properly equipped and ready to face a less stupid and humiliating defeat this time around. And maybe kill a magma worm so I can get to a character that I am much more compatible with. But first exploration, and we've got plenty of upgrades over here. And an easy to kill mushroom. Oh no. Oh no, you don't. So, what can we afford here? Yeah, I don't know. Fireworks aren't actually that great. War Banner. Again, with War Banner you can set up a pretty great combat area for the boss. Oh yeah, they're following me, which is not a problem because I can just stun it and completely miss the lights out. Yeah, totally. Where was I? War Banner. Great thing. Nope, you're not getting close to me. Neither are you. Nope. Ah, okay, I should pay more attention to my immediate surroundings, even though I've got my drones for that. Increased energy, yeah, regeneration. That's always a good thing to have. Yep. Could have gone better. No, not you, not you. There we go. Yeah. Missed the lights out yet again. Oh yeah, there you see lots of attack speeds and regeneration. War banners are awesome, if you can time them right. Which is easier said than done. Okay, let's trigger the teleporter right away. I can do some more exploration while I'm... Come on, boss. Where are you? What are you? Magma worm! There we go. So invisibility lets me dodge stuff, which is pretty damn awesome, but I'm not doing too well here. Whoa! No, damn it. Not doing quite as well as I would want. In fact, I'm doing pretty poorly. Because I'm about to die. Nope. That hurt me less than I thought it would. Okay, come on. Magma worm, die, die. Not, no. Come on, I know you're here. Kill the boss with lights out. Okay, that was awesome. Now I just need to not die. Which is easier said than done. Oh, there's my drone. Why are there so many? There we go. No. No, no, no. Not good, not good. Let's get away from here. Okay. No. This is not good. I even missed the lights out. No, and I don't have enough money. Jeez. Okay, at least nothing spawns anymore. I can get to slowly reclaiming all my stuff. What do we have here? Imp. Nope. Maybe yes, maybe yes, maybe yes. Lights out? Yes, yes, no. Okay, one thing down. They kind of want. Okay, if I can. You know what? I'm just going to brute force this. Then. Whoa! What? Yep. So much for this episode. Just a quick preview for my next character. You can see here. It's the Enforcer. Short range blasts, a shotgun. The range really sucks on this. I can smash enemies away. I can take a defensive stance, which prevents me from jumping and reduces my movement, but I block all damage from the front and I can actually move backwards while still shooting stuff in front of me. And stun grenade. I mean, what more can you ask for? This character is great, and I hope I'm going to do better with it than with the Bandit. We'll see on the next episode. Thanks for watching.